What PPC strategy works best when launching a new book on Amazon? When it comes down to launching even a book, we would see it the same way on how can we launch that, similar to a private label item. In this case, what we will be doing, depending on how much budget a brand has or a client has, based on that, we will be running self-targeting campaigns. So everything that is related to the author's name and the title of the book, we would run ads for that. We would run ads for everything that is our competitor. So if we want to generate additional traffic from their listings already, we would run those ads. We would also run exact match campaigns in specific keywords that are specific to your niche, right? Here really depends. If the niche is very narrow and we want to get additional traffic, we would also target keywords that are more broader but still are going to bring traffic. So these three are must-haves. And once that we have more proof of what works, what doesn't, we would be launching also dominate campaigns, which means that we already have proof that XYZ keyword already, they are performing really well. Let's create their own campaign. Let's attribute their own budget to it. And then of course, discovery campaigns, these are everything that is not exact match. So auto, phrase, broad, those type of campaigns. Category match, category targeting even.